In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to buy multiple goods from a single store on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to buy and pay multiple supplier on 1688. The first thing we want to do is to make sure we open up our 1688 shopping app right here. Having opened up your 1688 shopping app, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you source for an item. There are two ways to source for an item. One of the first way is to type in the keyword of the item you are looking for in the search engine right here, and you are going to see a similar result. The next way to search for an item is to use this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you do in this category is that you click on here, you upload the picture of the item you are looking for, and you are going to see exact similar to what you want. So after you search for an item, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made step-by-step video on how you can add an item to cart. After you have successfully added an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to fill your cart. So all the item you have added to your cart is going to be found right here. So these are items from different supplier, different color, different sizes, and different items entirely. So I'm going to purchase all these items. So what I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on here to select all the items. So you can see, having selected all the items, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So from the checkout right here, you can easily scroll down and see all items here. So I'm paying the sum of 188.70 yuan to purchase all these items from different supplier. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to continue with my payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. So you can see it right here. So we are able to purchase from different 5 supplier at amount of 188.70 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my profile, all the items we just purchased from different supplier, different store is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Boom. So you can see all the items right here. These are different color, different size, and different quantity from different supplier, and make payment at once, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So each time I post content about importation business tutorial like this, you will be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.